G'day, Mick here from Z Grills Australia. Today we're going to do the absolute classic Aussie biscuit, the ANZAC biscuit. This biscuit has long been associated with the ANZACs, and the current recipe dates back to the 1920s. They've definitely become an Aussie favourite cooked at home or purchased from supermarkets. An important thing to remember is you can only use certain ingredients for it to be called a traditional ANZAC biscuit. And those ingredients are rolled oats, brown sugar, plain flour, desiccated coconut, melted butter, golden syrup, bicarb soda, and a little bit of hot water. So let's jump into it and whip up some classic Aussie ANZAC biscuits. Okay, so we're just going to start by sifting our flour, adding in our oats, brown sugar, desiccated coconut. Just mix those up with a wooden spoon. Lumpy brown sugar. The next step is just to melt down the butter and maple syrup, and then we'll combine that with the water and the bicarb. Very thick. So now we can add that mix into here. It should froth up a little bit, as we can see here. Now we can go and add this to our dry mix. Very, very simple biscuit. This one lasts forever, literally lasts for months in a sealed container. Want to get a really pretty thick, dense consistency here. Now the fun begins. Golf-sized balls. We just put them down on this grease-proof paper, and they will flatten out as they cook. So you got to space them apart pretty well. Again, with most of my things that I cook, I haven't done these before, so it's a bit of an adventure. All right, job done. Dirty fingers. Time to fire up the Z Grill and cook these up. Disadvantage of having huge gloves, it's very easy to make big thumb marks in your ANZAC biscuits. Anyway, they are looking good. So we'll take those off and put them onto the rack. There you go. So there you have it, the classic Aussie ANZAC biscuit. Absolute little ripper. This is my third today. Enjoying this with a nice cup of tea. It is the best way to enjoy these, and don't be shy. You can do a bit of dunking if you want. Cheers. ANZAC Day is coming up on the 25th of April, and it's a day of national remembrance in Australia and New Zealand for those who've served and died in all wars, conflicts and peacekeeping operations, and the contribution and suffering of all those who have served. To find out more, please click on the link in the description below. Cheers.